Are you looking for a smart and promising investment in one of the fastest growing areas here in the South? If so, this video is the perfect one for you. Offers an exciting blend of urban convenience and natural beauty, making it a top choice for both homeowners and investors alike. May I present to you Crescella Estate, our newest subdivision here in Nuvali. For as low as 25,000, you can have your own property at the highest elevation here in Crescella. Imagine, for as low as 25,000 per month, your neighborhood is Sereneo by Alveo, Mondia, and Ayala Land Premier, which are the premium development ni Ayala. And these properties cost way more than what we offer here in Crescella. And kagandahan pa dito, once mag-appreciate yung value ng mga neighborhood properties, is madadamay rin po si Crescella. Before we start, let's take a drive tour muna around Nuvali. And now we're here in front of Nuvali. Dito tayo mag-start ng quick drive tour going to Crescella. Nuvali is the largest eco-city development of Ayala here in the Philippines. It's 2,500 hectares, it is twice the size of Makati and 10 times the size of BGC. It consists of 3 major cities, namely Santa Rosa, Laguna, Calamba, and Cabuyao. Nuvali is divided into 4 segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Andito tayo ngayon sa Nuvali North at makikita natin dito ang Ayala Mall Soledad 1, 2, and 3 at ang ongoing construction ng Soledad 4. Dito rin natin makikita ang ongoing construction ng SM Yulo, upgraded version siya ni SM Ora sa BGC. There's a rumor na magkakaroon din ng National University near SM Yulo. Aside from that, we already have the La Salle University and ongoing construction of UE and UST na even bigger in Manila campus. Andito rin ang man-made lake, a place where you can feed koi fish and go boat riding. We also have Seda Hotel and Nuvali Techno Hub, offering residents the convenience of working closer to home and creates job opportunities and attract more commercial developments. Dito rin makikita ang ongoing construction ng museum for architecture and residences. Membership, shopping stores like SNR and Blunders, quick service restaurants like McDo, Jollibee, and Coffee Bean Tea and Live with View Deck. And we have fashion retailer like Uniqlo, roadside store na merong play area sa gilid. We also have our own hospital in Nuvali North, which is Healthway Qualimed. And there's a rumor na dito ilalagay ang first ever kidney center outside Metro Manila. On our left is East Block. It's 11.7 hectares. Ito yung magiging commercial business district ng Nuvali na magkakaroon ng offices. Yung tapat naman nito is yung North Central Business District. It is 5 times the size of East Block plus the Lakeside Evo Zone na together, ito yung BGC natin in Nuvali. If you're planning to get a property and build a family, Nuvali has everything you need. Because we have schools inside like Miriam College, we have Everest Academy, and Xavier School. Now we are here in Nuvali Central. Dito makikita ang Central Block, and we have Mary Mart and the shops that will also cater residents from Nuvali Central and South. Andito rin ang Xavier School at ang pre-selling residential condominium ang Solara Park Stories, our first pet-friendly na condo. We have adjacent road along Nuvali Boulevard if you're going to Rockwell South. We are here now in Nuvali South. Magkakaroon dito ng Alfresco Mall. It's about 10 hectares, so yung mga residents from Nuvali South hindi na need pumunta sa Nuvali North kasi you have your own mall inside. Just to give you an idea, it is bigger than Market in Taguig. Imagine having a community where every segment has its own mall, yan yung convenience na meron si Nuvali. Dito rin makikita sa Nuvali South ang Everest Academy and Miriam College. On the left side of Nuvali South, we have Nuvali Play Parks, total of 31 hectares na merong bike trail, dog parks, garden center, golf driving range, and event center called Veranda Sunset. In Nuvali Heights naman, magkakaroon din ng high-end commercial spaces.
And finally, we're here in Crisela, located in Nuvali South. Dahil kaka-launch pa lang po ng Crisela last December 2024, dito muna tayo sa viewing deck. Ang completion date nga po pala ni Crisela is year 2028. Crisela is an estate, yung top-tier development ni Avida. Actually, we have 3 sectors, no? First is yung estate kung nasaan si Crisela. Second is yung settings. And third is yung village. Makikita natin dito, ang katabi ni Crisela ay Alveo Community at malapit din dito si Miriam College. Meron din kayong view ni Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, and yung Tagaytay Ridge. If you look over there, that's the Crisela Nuvali. It's a total of 13.5 hectares, 54% for residential and 46% for open spaces. It is the smallest subdivision ni Avida, kaya konti lang po kayong magkakapit-bahay. Kaya para sa mga investors natin locally or abroad or sa mga naghahanap ng future retirement home, now is the best time to invest habang mura pa.
Amenities is around 8,700 square meter, including clubhouse, adult and kiddie pool, basketball court, landscape garden, jogging path, and open spaces.
With the highest elevation among other subdivision from 199 up to 219 meters above sea level. For the lot only for as low as 25,000 per month after the 10% spot down payment. And we offer no spot down payment at 0% interest. For lot only, it starts at 140 square meter up to 200 plus square meter. So you can build your own home as long as modern, contemporary, and earth colors po. For the height restriction naman, 9 meters from the highest peak of your lot up to the roof. For house and lot package, we have 2 types of model. First is yung Solaya model. Meron po siyang 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. And yung second is Erin model. Meron naman siyang 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Ngayon naman, mag-house tour tayo ng Solaya model. We're here now in a dress-up Solaya model. Total lot area is around 181 square meter and the floor area is around 114 square meter. As you can see here, meron tayong spacious for carport and you can put either sedan or SUV here, kasyang-kasya naman. And going here sa kabilang side is you can turn this into your mini garden or pwede tayo maglagay ng table and chairs para sa leisure area natin. And dito sa side natin is if you're plantito or plantita, pwede kayo dito maglagay ng mini garden. Ang kagandahan pa dito guys is meron dito tayong glass door, so meron kang access while having coffee sa loob. Pwede ka na dito pumunta sa labas. So tara, let's go inside. Once you enter the unit, meron tayong foyer. Ito yung sanitation area natin. Or you can put cabinet, lagayan ng gamit like this one, or shoe rack para meron kayong lagayan ng outside shoes and sleepers. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa main door natin, meron na small glass. Nag-add siya ng natural light. So you don't need to turn on your light during the day. Dito naman sa side na to is your living area. As you can see, ang ganda ng pagkakalagay ng furniture kasi that's the importance of having an interior designer para ma-maximize yung space ng mga furniture. And as you can see here, meron silang full height curtain from floor to ceiling. And dito sa side is yung wall-mounted TV natin. Meron din tayong provision for aircon. And makikita nyo yung glass door natin, sliding door, going to your mini garden. And dito sa side is yung dining area. They put 6 chairs. I think kasya pa nga up to 8 chairs dito eh. And dito sa side naman is yung storage area. Kung makikita nyo, ang spacious niya para sa mga staff nyo na ayaw nyong ipakita sa labas, pwede natin dito ilagay. As you can see, ganito kalaki yung storage area nyo dito sa ilalim ng stairs.
And moving forward dito sa side naman natin is naglagay sila ng cabinet for your other stuff. Moving forward tayo dito sa kitchen area. As you can see, they installed built-in cabinet. Ang ganda no, around the fridge. At dito makikita nyo, pwede nyo lagyan ng groceries and kitchen stuffs. Ganito ka-spacious yung nilagay nilang cabinet for your kitchen. And dito sa side is yung kitchen countertop. Makikita nyo dito yung horizontal window. Nag-a-add pa rin siya ng natural light para hindi na tayo gumamit ng ilaw during the day. And mapapansin nyo, meron tayong GFCI outlet, safe siya kahit mabasa. In front ng kitchen nyo is yung toilet and bath. As you can see, yung laboratory, yung toilet, American Standard yung brand. And dito naman sa overhead shower, sa faucet, same brand pa din. Naglagay sila ng glass partition para hindi mabasa yung other part ng toilet nyo. And they installed also facial mirror. Diba? Ang ganda, ang laki ng facial mirror. Kitang-kita mo yung sarili mo. Kahit nga yung bandang gilid nito, yung side na to, makikita rin. And they installed also LED light para maliwanag. So, hindi mo naman need i-turn on yung light kasi maliwanag na siya dahil meron ka pa rin natural light dito sa kabilang side. Moving forward to other side, ito yung one bedroom dito sa ground floor. Mapapansin nyo, naglagay sila ng built-in cabinet para meron silang lagay ng other stuff para dito sa bedroom 1. And also the hanging rack. Pwede kayo maglagay ng mga display, frame, ganyan. And L-shaped table, pwede kayo maglagay ng chairs, gaming chair, or computer. O kaya pwede nyo to gawing study area, gaming area. It depends on your preference naman. Dito naman, makikita nyo, naglagay sila ng sofa bed. Actually, natuturn siya sa bed sa night para makatulog ka dito, magamit mo siya as a one bedroom. We also have back door here. So, when you're unloading your groceries, you don't need to use your main door. Meron ka ng access dito sa back door para hindi mo na ma-disturb yung mga guests mo sa living area. Ang kagandahan dito sa back door nyo is pwede nyo extend to into your dirty kitchen para makapag-prepare kayo ng messy food, para hindi makontaminate and madumihan yung kitchen area natin. Actually, this side naman is your laundry area kasi mayroon tayong GFCI outlet. So, safe siya mabasa kahit umulan or habang naglalaba ka. And pwede kayo magpalagay ng roof, subject for approval po yon. And actually, pwede din kayo magpalagay ng canopy, subject for approval pa din po. Ngayon, i-check naman natin yung second floor. As you can see, yung stair is wide and spacious. And yung handrail nagko-complement sa team ng bahay. At dito naman sa second floor is ang daming glass window, ang daming source ng natural light. So you don't need to use your light during the day and it will lessen your cost of electricity. Dito sa side na to is yung flex area. Kaya tinatawag natin siya na flex area is you can turn this into your mini living area, study area. It depends on your preference pa rin naman. And sa tapat ng flex area natin is naglagay sila ng mini cabinet para meron ulit lagayan ng mga other stuff nila. And going here sa ating bedroom 2, dito sa bedroom 2, makikita nyo is naglagay sila ng bed with side organizer. Dito lagayin nyo ng mga clothes, and dito sa side is yung side table and table for your computer, study area, hanging wall rack, and yung katabi nun is yung cabinet. Lagay ng mga clothes. Ganito ka-spacious yung bedroom 2. And makikita natin dito is pwede pa kayo maglagay ng mirror or depende kung paano nyo aayusin yung bedroom 2 natin. And mapapansin nyo, meron tayong glass, another window dito, corner glass siya. So, nag-a-add pa rin siya ng natural light, mas maaliwalas, mas maliwanag, kaya hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng artificial light. Makikita nyo dito yung hallway. Papunta tayo sa bedroom 3. Ganito ka-spacious yung hallway pa lang. And here in bedroom 3, dito sa bedroom 3, meron pa rin tayong corner glass window. Nag-a-add pa rin siya ng natural light. More on natural light tayo dito para hindi tayo mag-cost ng electricity, no? And dito sa bed, kung mapapansin nyo, merong headboard. Extended siya dito sa table kung saan pwede kayo mag-study. At meron ding hanging wall. And dito sa tabi ng hanging wall is closet to, pero nilagyan nila ng mirror inside para hindi na sila magkuha ng space sa bedroom 3. Meron din tayong lavatory, toilet, and same din dun yung features natin sa ground floor, yung overhead shower, glass partition, and yung facial mirror.
This is the exciting part, no? Kasi ito yung master bedroom natin. And on my left side is yung closet. Ganito ka-spacious yung ginawa nila kasi parang one side lang ng bedroom space yung inoccupy ng closet nila. And sa tapat nun, on my right naman is yung toilet and bath nila. Same features pa rin naman sa toilet and bath ng bedroom 2. Moving forward tayo dito sa side na to. As you can see, naglagay sila ng king-size bed. And sa tapat ng king-size bed, merong wall-mounted TV. Sa baba nun is yung TV rack. And the other side is merong side table and yung window natin. Ang kagandahan dito is ang daming glass window, no? Ang daming natural light. So, hindi ka talaga magbubukas ng artificial light para sa umaga. And the other side is naglagay din sila ng chair with side table again. And dito is yung glass window. Dito naman sa side na to is yung balcony. As you can see, ang spacious ng balcony natin, no? Pwede kang maglagay ng yoga mat, mag-exercise. If you don't want to go outside, pwede mo na siya gawin dito kasi ganito ka-spacious yung balcony natin. And actually, we have the view of Mount Makiling, Manila Bay, or Tagaytay Ridge. Depende po yun sa mapipili nating house and lot unit or yung lot unit natin. What you're buying here is not just your property, but the entire development of New Valley and the future. For more information, feel free to contact me via iMessage, WhatsApp, or Viber at 0915-543-0305 or contact me on my Facebook page at Real Deal Real Estate, Ayala Land by Christine Kabuhat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more of New Valley Project. This is CJ Kabuhat from Real Deal Real Estate.